Introducing the 2017 Buick Cascada. Fun from the top down. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance.
Confidence and poise are expressed throughout the exterior. A confident footprint is created via the 20-inch alloy wheels. You can rely on ultra-bright xenon headlights to keep the roadway illuminated. The power convertible roof retracts at the push of a button, opening the cabin space up to the natural environment.
Sport-oriented sophistication characterizes the lavish cockpit. You'll notice that the headroom and legroom make even the longest drives enjoyable. Top features include power windows, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, and power seats.
Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway.
The 2017 Buick Cascada. It delivers style and power in a single package.